Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Funmibi here again with another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I made this beautiful headband for a beautiful girl. Her name is Serena and today was her first Holy Communion. Her mom reached out to me to create something that will be, suitable for that particular occasion. Apparently, the first Holy Communion is something that is common among Catholics. That was my first time of ever hearing about that type of occasion, and she wanted something that was pure white and at the same time was going to look beautiful on our daughter. And I decided to whip up this beautiful beaded headband, and it also went along with a veil. I also made a beautiful veil that was going to be able to cover her hair and all of that. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how everything went down. So if you've been interested, please make sure you watch the videos to the end. Also hit the like button because I'm sure you're going to love this video, and also don't forget to share with anybody that you think will find this type of tutorial useful. All right guys, let's get straight into today's video. Okay friends, so for the items that we'll be needing, you need a piece of fabric. This fabric is about 60 inches long and 3 inches wide. You also need your plastic headband. You also need some other accessories like beads. At this point, feel free to use whatever you want. You can decide to use beads, you can use rhinestones, anything that you think will be enough to give you the accessorization that you need. But for me, I used glass beads, cloth stones, and pearl beads. I also went ahead to use these fabric flowers. Everything was gotten from a sewing accessories shop in Port Harcourt. Feel free to look around your area and pick up the necessary items. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm wrapping my headband. For those that are new here, I have a tutorial on how you can do this. I'm going to link it on the screen, so feel free to go check out that tutorial in order to learn how to wrap your headband beautifully. So this is my headband after wrapping. Everything looks nice and smooth. Like I said, check out the video that I linked earlier in order to learn how to make something like this for yourself. So right after doing this, the next stage of this tutorial was for me to get straight into accessorization. And guys, I've gotten into doing beadings and all of that, and I've seen all your comments talking about how I should show you guys how to bead headbands, how to, especially with my Michelle headband. So I'm working on a tutorial, and that tutorial is going to go live on the channel really soon. So if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and also turn on your bell notification so you know as soon as I put up that tutorial. So don't worry about it, I'm going to share. But in today's video, I also decided to just film the aspect of me beading, just for people that probably have prior knowledge and would just like to see how I go about combining my beads. I filmed that part, but yeah, like I said, a more detailed tutorial is coming up really soon, so I'm going to just share basically. So pardon me if this aspect of the video doesn't look so detailed, but it'll be nice to just watch and learn if that's what you're interested in. But yeah, I'm going to keep quiet now, allow you guys watch what I'm doing, and then I'll be back to just continue along with you guys.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show
Alright guys, so as you can see, I've kind of gone far with my beading, and for this bit I was just freestyling this. For this aspect of the video, everything I was working on was just me being creative. I didn't have any serious plan in mind. Her mom sent me a particular picture and she wanted me to just pick inspiration from the picture. I'll see if I can link the picture that mom sent to me. So I was just trying to combine my beads and my cloth stone and my flower to give us something similar to the picture that she sent. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. The spaces that you're seeing in between the beads are the places where I'm going to fit in my flower. If you are not interested in beading, if you are looking to create something like this similar, or something similar to this for yourself or for your child, feel free to just stick on just the fabric flowers all over your wrapped headband. I feel like that is also going to look really, really beautiful, and this is for people that might not be interested in doing the beadwork. But as soon as I share the tutorial, I'm sure you guys will find beading your headband very, very easy, and you'll be able to come up with your own beautiful designs at home or in your workspace or anything like that. For this bead here, I'm attaching my cloth stone. I don't know why it took me a while to gather my words together, and this is what it looks like. With sewing on cloth stones, there's a different methodology to it as opposed to when you are beading with your regular beads. But like I said, in the detailed tutorial that I'm preparing for you guys, I'm going to share everything you need to know about doing stuff like this. And once you have knowledge in doing this, you can also go ahead to accessorize your clothes. Okay, so if you sew a particular outfit and you just feel like it needs more vavavoom, you can just go ahead to create some beadwork on the cloth or the outfit, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. So this is the finished result after doing my beading and sticking on my flowers. For the flower, I just used my hot glue to just stick on the flowers, just in case you're curious, and that's pretty much it. So the next thing I'm going to be working on now is the veil, and this I have a pure white net that is folded into two. This is just 1 yard of net. I folded it into two along the length, so it's about 24 inches by is 24 inches long and 24 inches wide. So the 24 inches length is folded into two. So the full length of the net is about 48 inches. I put it into two, so it gave me 24 inches, and then the width of the net is about 24 inches. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys here that the fabric is folded. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to gather the net along the fold, and all that entails is just me passing my needle and thread just like I'm doing there. I'm sorry that this part was not properly in frame, but I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gathering, and once I gather, I'm going to adjust my gathers such that my gathers are or whatever I'm gathering is about 6 inches wide. Like I said, I'm making this particular piece for a 9-year-old, so she's a child, right? So I didn't want to do anything that will be stressful for her to wear or anything like that. So this is what I have here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and run my stitches over it, and this is what I have here. So for this open bit of the veil, I'm going to take it to my weaving machine and just weave the edges just so everything looks pretty and just nice and put together. So I'm going to take this to my whipping machine, and this is what I have here after weaving. I don't know why I keep calling that machine whipping machine. It's called weaving machine. So I weave the edge of my net, and that's what I have right here. I decided to just do a little bit of curve at the end of the veil. So what I'm going to do next is to attach these plastic combs just to make attaching the veil to Serena's head very easy for her mom. And yeah, that's pretty much it. For this part, I'm just going to use my needle and thread to just sew on the comb onto the veil, and I think that will be it for this aspect. I don't know. I feel like you guys will be able to do this by yourselves. That's why I didn't really like take my time to show you guys. But I'm sorry if you didn't get the gist. If you would like me to show you guys again how I made the veil, let me know. I'll see if I can make something more detailed than this. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this aspect of making the veil. So the idea is for the baby girl to attach the veil with the comb to her hair, and then afterwards wear her plastic headband, or the wrapped why do I keep calling plastic, to wear a headband in front, towards the front of the veil. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to insert a picture of the inspiration so you guys get the gist of how this is supposed to go. But yeah, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you learned something. If you did, please do well to hit the like button so I know you got value from watching this video. Also, if you made it up to this point and you've not subscribed to this channel, I have a lot of educative and inspirational videos on my channel, and I feel like this family is a family that you would love to be a part of. So please do well to hit the the subscribe button. Okay, join the family. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know every single time I drop a new video. I post videos at least twice every single week, so please do well to join us. Also, if you feel like you have a friend that has a daughter that might be interested in, making something like this for herself or for her daughter, please make sure you share this video with that person. If you have a family member, also feel free to share with them. Sharing is caring, and we love to share on this channel, right? So please do well to share, and I can't wait to see you guys in another video. Bye.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun.